Bear trap or bear hug? Top trading ideas you need to see. Listen up, because things just got real interesting in the markets. We saw a little bear trap action on October 3rd, but don't let that fool you. The market's breadth is flashing red like a stop sign, with over 2,000 shares down and barely 500 advancing on the NSE. That's not a bull rally, that's a bull getting slaughtered. The sentiment is about as weak as a newborn kitten, and frankly, this market looks like it wants to go lower, but fear not, because that means opportunity, and we're going to find it. SBI Life. Time to buy the dip? SBI Life has been on a tear, but even the best climbers need to rest. We're seeing some consolidation here, but don't sweat it. This is a classic bullish continuation pattern. Look, the chart doesn't lie, and right now it's telling us this stock is like a coiled spring ready to pop. Plus, it's sitting pretty above its short-term moving average. Trust me, this is a sign that the bulls are still in control. Hindustan Zinc, ready for breakout. Hindustan Zinc has been stuck in a trading range tighter than a drum. But guess what? This is what we call an accumulation zone. The big boys are loading up, and when they're done, this stock is going to blast off. The ADX indicator is confirming what my gut's been telling me. Breakout is imminent. KPIT Technologies. Don't miss this rebound. KPIT Technologies took a little breather, but guess what? That just gave us a chance to buy in at a discount. This stock is trading near multiple support levels, and the volume is telling me the downside is limited. We're talking about a classic rebound play here, folks. Petronet LNG has been quietly forming a beautiful rounding bottom pattern. This is what we call a textbook bullish reversal, and guess what? It just blasted past the 50-day moving average like it was nothing. The bulls are in complete control here. Tata Chemicals just broke out of a falling supply trend line. That's right, it smashed through it like the Kool-Aid man, and the best part, it retested the breakout level and bounced right back up. This is as bullish as it gets. The whole chemical sector is heating up, and this stock is leading the charge. Colgate-Palmolive, the name you trust, the stock you need in a shaky market. While everything else is falling apart, this beauty is holding strong. It's like a rock in a storm. Every little dip is getting bought up faster than hotcakes. The RSI is screaming higher, and so is this stock. Infobeam Avenues just broke out of an ascending triangle, and the volume is exploding. This is what happens when the bulls smell a winner. We're talking about a potential move to rupees 40 and even rupees 45 in the near term. But remember, no trade is without risk. Set your stop loss at rupees 29 and let those profits run. Chapter 8, JK Paper, get ready for liftoff. JK Paper is sitting on a launch pad right now, fueled by a rising trend line and massive buying volume. This is what we call a coiled spring. Once it breaks above 470 rupees, the sky's the limit. We could see 560, even 600 rupees in the short term. Just remember, risk management is key. Set your stop loss at 420 rupees and enjoy the ride. Chapter 9, HBL Power Systems, powering up for a big move. HBL Power Systems is showing signs of life, and I'm not just talking about a little flicker. We're talking a full-blown power surge. The volume is confirming this move, and the RSI is screaming higher. We could see this stock rocket to 800 rupees, maybe even 840. But remember, safety first. Set that stop loss at 580 rupees and let those profits soar. Chapter 10, Jindal Steel, riding the fifth wave to profits. Jindal Steel is on fire right now, riding the fifth wave of its impulsive uptrend. The moving averages are acting like a supportive trampoline, and the volume is confirming the bullish momentum. As long as this stock stays above 990 rupees, the bulls are in control. This is a classic momentum play, folks. Outro, don't fear the bear, profit from it. We're in a volatile market, there's no doubt about it, but remember, volatility is the oxygen of opportunity. While others are running for the hills, we're stepping up and finding the stocks that are ready to explode higher. We're talking about real companies with real potential, and we're not afraid to buy them, even in a market like this. Remember, fortunes are made in bear markets, and we're just getting started.